So it's currently 3:30 a.m. How long was your drive, bro?
I left at 7 a.m. and it's 3:30. Ouch.
Dude, Mike drove all the way.
This is the most walking I've done since 7 o'clock this morning.
I'm telling you, Mike drove all the way from Michigan, left at 7 a.m. and just arrived here with me. It's 3:30 a.m. And look who we picked up on the way.
The flying lunatic.
The flying lunatic. We got Ed with us too. We got Night Train and Ed, bro. Oh my God, this is gonna be wild. So we're having a Seagram's something here at 3 a.m. in the parking lot of a random rest area. I'm sure this looks legit.
Just enough time to sober up before we go fly in the morning.
Right, right. Well, I don't know about me. I'll be drinking Viking blood tomorrow, but
Viking blood.
I'm gonna be lit tomorrow. Ooh, buddy. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, it's that kind of morning, and I'm out here with the one, the only. You all know him. He sleeps in his chair quite often. The Flying Fool. I'm here with Ed. Mike's inside, doing his morning duty as a male. Well, I think he's doing the 3 S's. The 3 S's? I think he's doing the 3 S's right now. Oh, nope, there he is. I found him. I found him, and then I think we're getting the show on the road. Right? We're gonna
do this.
Let's do this, man. We're gonna go find, I found, well, look. Okay, so they do have these up there, if that, yeah. So, yeah. The coffee machine's broke. Huh?
On the way down.
Yeah, look. I'm just gonna give you guys a sneak peek.
We're loaded.
Sneak
there,
peek, bro.
boys.
Sneak peek. Sneaker. Oh, it's about to go down. On the road again. I got Mike behind me. Ed and Mike way back there, though. Hopefully they pick up the speed a little bit. I'm going 70, speed limit 70. We're about to get off and then do a switcherooski and head back that way, because the first park we're starting at is the opposite direction. So let's make this Yui. Quick stop for some ice. These dudes got to fuel up real quick. We got Ed and Mike about to fuel up. I got to grab some ice for my cooler. That's what we're doing. Then straight over to see Mitch and Carlos. So I just am walking around this random park and I happen to come across this guy.
I figure one of you guys would be filming.
Yeah, what's up, Mitch?
Hey, Danny, how you doing?
I'm good, man.
I haven't
Look at
got
this guy. Look at this guy.
Captain Dan. Can I shake your hand?
Yeah, I know that. What? Yeah, look, we're going for it.
Amen.
Let's do it. The cruise here.
Even like meeting somebody.
Hell of a drive, bro.
It's gonna be fun, actually. This is a really nice spot to let her rip, Tater Chip. Actually, quite happy. These trees look like they'd be a lot of fun to fly through too. The crew has arrived. It's going down, bro. It's going down. Somewhat familiar.
Is Carlos still flying?
Ooh, we're gonna find out.
Oh, my orchids. You got
Ooh. Can you taste that, huh? Can you taste it? The true taste of FPV. The flying lunatic is about to put up. There he goes. Holy mackerel. Ed is airborne. Ooh, buddy. That little thing's fighting the wind pretty good, too. Look who I found. Look, just look who I found. I found people randomly in a parking lot. What's up, man?
What's up, bro?
Ron, good to see you.
That was me at 1 o'clock this morning.
Was it?
Or 2 o'clock.
Texting?
Yeah.
That was that one? I'm like, who the fuck texted me? What is happening right now?
I put it on. It was.
This that I know of. So
Doc showed up.
absolutely, Doc showed up.
Yeah. And
Doc's
he's
gonna help.
brought this thing. What did you call this?
That's called an Excalibur. That is the only 7-inch version in existence.
That is so weird looking, man.
With the cross.
Flies like that.
Yeah.
One motor in the front and back. Yeah.
That's so Space age.
I'm surprised more drones aren't.
BL Heli 32. These are all BL Heli Fs, all of mine. And the reason for that is because it's easy to program.
Oh, I just like.
Ow! There you are.
I like your hair. That's
baby. I got the
Hey.
light golden hair.
Yes,
Huh?
yeah. Very nice. Alright. So we are all convoying out of here right now as a group. And we're gonna go get something to eat, and then we're gonna go meet up with the boys. I think I might cook. I got all those steaks. I gotta cook those steaks and pork chops. So I think I'm gonna pass on buying food. I mean, everybody's kind of getting whatever, but I think me and Mike are gonna eat steaks. I gotta burn through these steaks. Because tomorrow I think we're doing Texas Roadhouse for dinner, so I'm not gonna be eating it for dinner, and I certainly won't be having it for lunch, so we're just gonna cook it tonight and see how things go. So yeah, get her done. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah, that actually does look pretty good. They made that fresh? Yeah, that looks good. Boom. Ooh, steamed up the lens. Yeah, this new grill puts out a lot of heat, man. Pretty good little grill. So I'm cooking some steaks, some pork chops. The guys are all up here eating. This won't take me too long to cook. This is actually moving right along. So, yeah. Okay, I'm ready.
A chill.
Look who just coated up because he caught a chill. They're over there. Potatoes are coming along good. Look, yeah, buddy. They're about to come off. Starting to turn brown. I like it. Oh man, almost done cooking here. At the drone meet, Mitch is calling it for the night. We'll see him tomorrow. Dude, thanks for an awesome day, bro.
Oh, we had a great time.
Yeah, it was great. Thank you.
All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Sounds good. We'll finish cooking this, and I'm gonna go eat with the boys. Bam, done. Does that look done to you? Looks done.
Looks done to me.
Looks done to me. Heck yeah, man.
I go back to the cook though. That steak only has one damn side.
This guy. Grab my knife. I brought a pocket knife that's really sharp for this. Oh, look, I'm dropping things. Oh, yeah?
He says, I went to this restaurant and I ordered some food. And the steak come to me and it was so damn thin it only had one side. I asked the waitress, I said, will you take that back and shove it down the cook's throat? Get it fixed? She comes back a couple minutes later. I said, did you shove that down the cook's throat? She said, no, sir, you have to wait. There's another row of mashed potatoes ahead of you.
That's funny.
Can't hug Mike.
Oh, everybody's still eating, so I must have done all right. Yeah. Except for Carlos. He's not eating any. Oh, yeah. Taking some home with you? All right. All right, cooking up the rest of the meat now. Got another steak in here, the rest of the potatoes that I cooked, and now we are cooking the pork chops that I got left. After that, I got to do dishes. I'm trying to do all this while they're still light out. Ron's getting a flight in, and everybody's still sitting over there at the table talking. I believe his drone is somewhere over there. So, yeah. Dan's getting at it right now, boy. Oh my God, this is that new smoky mesquite seasoning. This stuff is jamming, boy. Whew. Jamming. Oh boy, flip these over. Oh yeah. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Oh my God. Only you guys understood the smell coming off these right now. Oh, these are gonna be spicy and good. Alright, that's it. These puppies are ready to come off. Oh yeah, they are perfect. Look at that. Let those drip for a sec. Right there on top of the steak. Kapow. Straighten that out a little bit. We'll put the other one on top of there. Oh, golden brown, baby. Yes, sir. A little bit of vegetable oil in there. Booyah. There it is. All done. The meat has been cooked. Let that cool off just for a sec before I put the lid on. Turn this off. Disconnect the fuel. Butane. God, isn't that a nice little setup? Just a little butane refillable. Nice little butane gas stove. Kapow. Not bad for a $20 investment. You get 5 cans of this for $2. That's just ridiculous. Cook big meals real quick on this thing, man. It puts out some heat. Hell yeah. All right, well, I got some Ajax here. I got to do some dishes, put everything away, chill with the boys, call it a night. There was so much winning in this. It came out so freaking perfect. So there you go. I'm actually Walmart allows boondocking at their property, so show you my setup here. Really easy. Jug of water inside, weights it down, sleeping bag, pillow, all the good stuff, all my editing software and everything that I need. And here with my GoPros, I'll be charging. I'm sleeping back here. I'm actually gonna lay down tonight. Yesterday was very questionable, but today is a much better night. It's not nearly as windy, so there you go. I got a space blanket. I got my mat underneath it. That is a foamy mat. Feels really nice. And then my pillow, obviously, from my house. So yeah, good to go.
Go home, folks.